morning, everyone. So actually it's probably gonna be nighttime when I upload this, but I'm on my way to the machine shop. I've got everything loaded in the back here in the Element, and I'm gonna take all that stuff down there so they can get started on cleaning it, which is a little bit of a process, and then hopefully we'll get the head built so it's ready for this weekend. Alrighty, just dropped them off. They're gonna get it fully torn down and start cleaning them. I just need to go through all the little things. I gotta take these copper O-rings out, go get some wire and tap new ones in. And yeah, I'm just checking everything over. I need to fix some wires. This one got yanked out somehow, but I don't need that. It's just the oil switch and the alternator. But this whole engine bay is caked in oil too, so I gotta clean that out. I've got this one started, so you can kind of see what exactly. It's pressed in pretty good. A little bit left I didn't get. Right there. I just want to make sure that all of it's out without damaging this. So I need to take these three out and go get the same gauge wire. I don't remember exactly. Alright, so I just got some copper wire at this place. It's like a craft store, but it's the only place that sells these wire locally. I think people use them for like jewelry and shit, but anyways, now I can make my copper O-rings. So I'm gonna run home and do that. Alright, I had to catch up to this guy. He's got a nice car. I think I lost the wheelie. So the pump just came in. Open it up. Should be this. Pretty sure they look the same. It's just black. That'll be easier. Yeah, I've got to figure it out. It's already pre-oiled. The way I like it. Layers of packaging. It's pretty much exactly the same. Just high pressure. Probably not as high pressure as this one, because this one I've got a massive shearman. And like I said, I think on cold start it was sitting at like 80 pounds of oil pressure.
Smooth.
Into this one. Can we turn it by hand?
The one that sees up on you?
Well, I'm sure there's metal that got in it.
No way.
Yeah,
come on now.
I can't even turn it. Alright, so I've got the wire here, and I'm gonna be putting the O-rings in these little grooves here, which were machined. So it's basically, I mean, when you think of an O-ring, it's just usually a rubber seal. That's all these are. So these will go in here. I'll make a circle and tap them in, and essentially all it does is holds it helps seal the head gasket. So when it's under boost, I won't be blowing a head gasket. I mean, before I was running 30 to 32 pounds on the old turbo, and I never had an issue with overheating or anything. And I'm gonna be shooting for like probably 40 plus on this one, so I'm definitely gonna need these back in there. And I've got the new head gasket over there, so I'm gonna go ahead and start getting these all set up so I won't have to do them Saturday because it's kind of time consuming. Alright, so the first one is done. If it'll focus. So it's pretty even. And there's no gap here, which would be the only way that it would leak boost into the cooling system. And also the reason why you use copper is because the head gasket is steel, so it won't mess up the head gasket itself, and the copper will squish down when you torque the head, and it'll create a nice seal, so it can hold a lot of boost. But I'm gonna finish up these three sides real quick, and then kind of go over and finish prepping the block for this Saturday. Nice, you're getting the hang of it. See, it's kind of fun. Or you don't find it fun?
It's wacky and louder, I guess.
It's kind of boring. That's why I'm making you do it. Alright, so all four are finished. Okay, they just hit the curb. Whatever.
What happened?
That Jeep, did you hear it?
What was she missing gear or what?
I don't know, I thought she hit something. But anyway, so this part's finished. I just have to finish cleaning the rest of the block, which I probably won't film because no one wants to watch that. But I might just call this video for now, and I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna try to upload a video. I might head over to the machine shop, so hopefully I can get that sorted away and be prepared for Saturday.